They say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard that?
Hey gorgeous, welcome back into another video. So today I'm working with this hair from WestKiss. It came in this gorgeous box you're seeing, and it came in 2-pack, the box and this one. And this bag, there is a lot of goodies inside that came with the wig. You see, all this came with the wig. A cap wig, that is a bonnet. You see how cute is this? And this looks so gorgeous. And a scarf. Also a hairband. And a silicone wig grip. I'm going to try this out for you guys to see. They added 2 hair bonnet to it. You can see this blue one. This one has 2 surface, black and blue, which is so gorgeous. I'm really happy and appreciate.
Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say.
The wig is 180 density. It's 22 inches and it's coily. It's 13 by 4 lace front wig. The cap I took is a medium cap. It came with some combs, adjustable strap, and the lace you're seeing is Swiss lace. So that is it. It's 13 by 4 lace wig, like I said, which means you can create your part from every angle.
It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty.
I like the coils because you can see the coils are a little bit tight, which I like. You can comb it if you like, just loosen the coils, or you add cream to make it more tighter. So like I normally do, I'm taking the hair backward before I will cut the excess lace from it. So I'm going to leave the details about this hair on the description box. If you're interested, you can check that out. By the way, this video is sponsored by WestKiss.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me. Me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
And while I was filming, my hubby just walked in and he gave me, you will see, a flower. That's so kind of him. I love flowers. I was so happy. I wasn't expecting this. He just came from work with this gorgeous bouquet and I'm so happy. I thought of showing you guys. That's lovely, romantic.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.
I use this silicone then attach the hair, trying to shake it. This thing holds so firmly, so firmly. I'm surprised. This is my first time of using it. I'm really surprised.
Beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs and even the rough.
After applying the gel on it to hold my wig down, I use hand dryer with low heat just to dry it, then slay my baby hairs, and that is it. So I'm going to leave the link to this hair on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. Go to the description box, you will see all information you need to know about this hair. I tell you, this hair is so gorgeous. There was nothing like smell to it. There was little shedding. It shed, but little, not much, because coily hair shed a lot.
Some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me
So I'm going to use this moisturizing coily activator cream. I'm going to mix it inside water. In that can, it's just ordinary water because the cream is so thick. So I like it like this. I will just mix it with the water, then apply it on my hair to soften my hair a little and to break the coils, because I want the coils more tighter. So that is why I did this. In case if you want your coils so loose, you don't need to apply this moisturizing cream. You just kind of comb it out, or you can still use ordinary water on it. Your coils will still bounce back.
It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know.
So that is it. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Support your girl if you like this video by clicking on that like button. Thank you so much. Watch to the end. I will see you guys in my next one. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link to this wig on the description box. All the information you need to know about this wig will be on the description box. All right, guys. Bye.
Until we make up, I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. Around your arms instead of being lonely.
Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that